Welcome to the brand new 2023 Chevrolet Traverse. Traverse RS is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Traverse: power windows, locks and mirrors, automatic headlights, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, push-button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with heated front seating, your automatic wireless charging, RS branded shifter knob, your 4-wheel drive system. The vehicle does have the all black interior as well, Bose audio, and our leather heated seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Traverse RS, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful black alloy wheel, Continental all-season tire, color-matched door handles with keyless entry, blacked-out Traverse badging, as well as a color-matched mirror cap, LED camera or LED light and camera system. Coming down to the front of the Traverse, we do have the LED daytime running lamps, as well as turn signals. We have the RS branded grille, camera system, black bow tie and chrome accents. We have the rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. Coming down towards the back of the Chevrolet, we do have the LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips, as well as a trailer tow package and backup camera. Jumping into the interior here, we have the captain's chairs, second row. Both are leather and car seat ready. Seats fold down nice and quick, giving us access to our third row, a 60-40 leather split. Seats over top, we have the black colored headliner with the dual panel sunroof system, LED lighting, heat and AC vents, rear climate control, USB ports, and a 12-volt in the back of the center console, and OEM rubberized floor liners installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 Chevrolet Traverse. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.